Today we're putting together the 7-piece Pamapic outdoor sofa. So what have we done at this point? Basically, we've taken everything apart and put everything in groups. So we have these tops here. These are the bottoms. These seem to be the backs, right? Everything was very efficiently packaged. Cushions and everything is all, pretty sealed pretty well. We have them everywhere. It comes with a lot of them. And these seem to be the legs. I'm assuming they look like legs, right? All right, so we're gonna start putting this thing together. Now, I was a little worried that there would be nuts and bolts to put this thing together, but there's only bolts, meaning you only need one tool to put this thing together and one size. So it's just bolts. Look at that. So we're not putting together nuts and bolts. Very excited, right? How happy was I when I heard that?
Very happy.
Very happy, right? All right, so we're gonna start putting the first thing together. What we're noticing is everything is very well marked. So we have 6 1s, we have 7s, we have 8s over here. All right, so it's a lot of a rinse and repeat, kind of the same step over and over again. So we'll show you with this one. So you put the base on the back, and then we have 4 screws, and everything's very clearly marked. We're just gonna run these in. Now what's gonna make this a lot faster is doing something like this. You get one of these bits, you get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, I'll put a link down below, and then you get these, right? This is a 4mm, okay? And then we can use this to really drive these screws very fast. It does come with a supplied Allen key, but this just goes so much faster. And I turn it down, so I have it on like 2, but we'll run each one of these in. And we sort of started an assembly line here. All right, then you have your front legs, which are a little longer, and you have your rear legs. These get attached with 3 bolts on there and tighten down. Rinse and repeat. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the corner. It's a lot of the same, so it's still the same bolts down here. You just added 2 additional ones and this back one on. So we're gonna do that. We'll run these screws in. These corner have additional ones that you screw in here, kind of pull it together. All right, so it's been about an hour and we put this jawing together. So you can configure this a bunch of different ways. You have your ottomans here, in the middle. So, the ottomans you could put like this, and like this. You have your 2 corners, so you can have just a couch if you wanted to. So you can completely remove these, right, out. The configurations are almost endless. So you can have this against the wall and have just a couch. I can even add this in here and have even another one, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, really long. So the other thing I was thinking is you could do something like this, and have this as almost like a table. So if you were to actually this is what I was thinking. It's very staticky. Must be because it's new. But if you had this here, you have a table. You can put my milk or juice, water, very healthy drinks right here. So it took us about an hour to put together. Let me show you some things that definitely help. You want to get one of these bits, 4mm, but also what helped is one of these bendy bits, right? So you see that how you get, this allows you to get in all kinds of weird corners and still use the drill. If you don't have this, I would recommend 100% you go out and get it. You'll be happy you have it. You put it away in your tools. When you pull it out and use it, you'll be very happy you have it. But see that you can even screw on a corner, right? So it's really cool. Definitely something you want to pick up. I'll put a link down below. Now, one thing we were worrying about was that these would kind of constantly be coming apart, like you see right here, right? But what they do is they give you these clips. So once you pick the configuration that you want, you basically just clip them together underneath, and that holds them together, okay? Uneven surface, kind of like this stamped patio here. You have little legs that you can adjust, so they have adjustable legs. And the one thing I noticed is that all the cushions, I like this, are washable. So you can pull the inside out, pull the outer part of the pillow.
The cover. The
cover. You can pull that out and put that in a washing machine. And the fabric itself, it's outdoor fabric, right? Mm-hmm. So this is like outdoor fabric like you would see on. Seems fine. I don't see any issues. Like I said, everything has a zipper on the cover, so you can take it off and wash it.
Mike, where'd you go?
I was hiding behind there. All right, so it's time for a nap. That is the end of the video. This thing is pretty comfortable. And if you want to pick it up, I will put a link down below in the description. They'll ship it to your house. I'm Mike, Found TV, and I'm out. Like literally sleeping, I'm out.